Hi. In part one, we saw how to register in the TCS ION Center, ION registration. Now, in the second step, how to register in the TCS next step. TCS next step. So, in the TCS next step, first you just go to the tcsnextstep.com. Here, you just use your login. So, you people already some of them already attended TCS Code with us. So, those people are already they have your own IDs. DTCT, the name of the DT and starts with DT or starts with CT and 30 digit number was there. So those are the TCS registered numbers. So the people who have already login IDs, so no need to register again. Just use the same credentials and log in into the account. But be sure that the email which used in the TCS ION Center, ION registration, that should be reflected here also. So both should be same. That is the very important thing. Okay, na? So if I'm going to the new registration, so you just use a IT. So you have two options: business process services and as well as that IT. So here you should opt the IT. So the BPOs, there is a BPOs here the IT. So here I'm going to opt the IT, and the details I'm going to give the details. Yes, it's a dummy account. So same details, please don't make any mistakes here because everything is very important. Uh, my email ID is tcsnqd21 at the rate of gmail.com, right? And the mobile number is same. And the institute name is so Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, right? So next you can opt. Next you can opt qualification. Uh, so Bachelor of, you can be clear with that, Bachelor of Engineering or Bachelor of Technology. You can opt. Don't go for the theology. It's a technology. So the link should be very clear. And why it is not appearing? So year of passing is 2021. Students only eligible for the TCA. So Hyderabad, yes. So enter your password. You just use your own password, and that should be security reason. You can choose any pet name, right? And also the code is NIOM, right? So I think it's the one. No, it's not matched. Yeah, I zero. No, O only. No? Yes, O P M, right? Yes, it's not showing. G E R C R, right? Yes, got it. But it is not showing. Okay, sorry. First I have to use Mr. No? So by default it takes. Yes, sorry. Now, yes, yes. Please note these. This is the very important in future references. This is the registration ID. So already some students have the same registration ID who are attended for the TCS code beta, right? So those people no need to register again. So just note down the IDs and press enter. And password is yes. Yes, this is the portal. I'm logged into my account. Then application form, you just go to the application form. Yes. So personal details, academic details, and other details, and application preview and declaration. Everything you have to fill. So already have all the information. Just use wrong. Janardhan, okay now. So mail. So permanent address, student 19, and so make sure that all details should be filled correctly because may create again problem. So as I put as yes, email ID I have given alternative. I don't have any alternative email ID. They won't continue. So missed somewhere all mandatory details. So where I feel I think I feel right. Again, save and continue. Please enter all mandatory details. Permanent detail address. Enter the all mandatory present address details. Okay. Okay, landmark, right? Sorry. Yeah, something. Yes. Yes. So next, you have to enter your all your details. So enter. So Bachelor of Technology 21, right? So graduate Kadu. So higher qualification category. Okay. So next. So 10th. So specialization MPSC. Okay. University name some XXX. So board of OPSC, CPSC or anything. So if you choose that the data is should be very particular. So be careful with that all this data. Okay. So the full time and CGPA you can enter that grading system and yes CGPA. So obtained 9 and got it 10 right. So 10th grade, you just enter your roll number. Okay, university and CBSE, whatever it may be. So be careful with all these details. I'm going to explain. That is why I'm taking very uh, false data. So have you done any other courses? No, I didn't done. If you have anything, you just give that details. Experience. So we are freshers now, so we don't have any big experience. On declarations, you just use it. Do you have any break in studies? So I don't have anything. So please, based on your data, please fill all this data. So these all are very very important. So don't. Yes, other details, nationality. Yes, Indian. We are from India, right? Indians. So add neuro, select. So you know Telugu, right? English simply. We could write English and speak, read, write, and so it's okay. And that languages certification. So I don't have. So save and continue. Okay. Oh, I'll take that one as another language, right? So achievements. I don't have any achievements. And that please select the below details carefully. They printed in the TCS. So be careful that you have to where is the PAN card or ID card. So that should be is very very careful. Okay, you just give like that only. So please select your blood group and upload your photo. That should be appear on the right. Now application form preview. Oh yes, issue involved in the pending or close. No, no, right? Yes, and I agree. Right. So write your place where you. Oh, still have you appeared TCS? No. Academic details. Yes. Graduation, Bachelor of Technology. Okay. So when did I complete? Right. Course duration is very important. Right. Specialization is information technology. Information technology. Right. You can choose anyone. Communication information science. And that 9 and 10. Okay. So, oh, these are the I have given all the details are overlap, no? That is why it is getting like that. So after filling this on this application, you just go to here and submit your application, and you will get that apply job. So here, if you click apply job, then you yeah, they have given even steps also how to apply the job also. So next step portal, everything is here only. So track your application even. So this is the candidate registration status registered. So just now I registered, no? That is why. And also it's shown that after the apply, it's shown that job applied. Okay, na? So all the best for future endeavors. So if you have any doubts or anything, please ping us on this number and you just write us a mail to us. Okay, thank you very much.